All right, Jackie, we're to your strength. And what we're gonna do is for your squat pattern, you're gonna get a towel. I have a, you're gonna get a towel or like a broom. I've got a strap or a tar strap, which will work well. But we're gonna do something that we haven't done in a while. These are gonna be our overhead squats. And so while I'm introing your general strength, you'll also just need a towel in general. So if you're getting a broomstick, go ahead and grab the towel too, or you can just grab a towel. All right. So first thing that we're gonna do is an overhead squat. So for the overhead squat, you're gonna have your broomstick or the band or the towel over your head. Okay, so you're pulling on the ends of it. Your grip is pretty wide, and your bicep is about your ear. You're really gonna root those heels in, and then as you drop down, it's the same kind of squat thought. So pushing into the floor, driving those knees out, leaving your body at a good angle. So as you go down, your arms aren't falling in front of you, and your body isn't leaning like this. So it's a really mobility heavy strength drill. So once you feel yourself start to lean forward, I wouldn't go quite as low, but you're really pulling on the outside edges of it. Weights in your heels, go down, push through the heels to come back up, and you will do 8 to 10 of those on each. 8 to 10 of those total on each round. All right, then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do our bicep curl to presses. So you'll need a towel for this, and this is the one where, again, you're not worried about how heavy it is, but how hard you're able to pull on that towel. Curl to your chest, push above your head. Remember, biceps are by your ears, straight up, back down to your chest, and down like that. Okay? Then the next thing that we are going to do will be your hip and hamstring exercise, which today will be it'll be our I'm sorry, gotta look at my notes here real quick. It'll be, so this is where the towel comes in. You're gonna do a glute ham curl on the towel. So this is where you're on the towel and you're on your back, or your feet are on your towel, you're on your back, your elbows are setting up your body. Your elbows are setting up your torso. You're squeezing your glutes to come and bring your hips off the ground. Remember, like I said, towel sits underneath your heels. You're going to squeeze that towel towards your body, draw that towel in, and then bring it back out, draw it back in. Glutes are keeping your hips above the ground. Hamstrings are your strength, where you're pulling in and out. You'll do that 10 to 12 times. Then you'll grab your towel again, and you're gonna do our towel rows. So towel rows, remember, where you're applying pressure on that towel on each end. Hinge those hips back, draw that weight or the towel up to your diaphragm. Work on squeezing tight, coming back down. You'll do 14 of those, and then 30 seconds jump rope. And that will be your strength circuit. Go through that 2 to 3 times, and you'll be good. All right? Have a good one, Jackie. See you Friday.